All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about staying motivated in a bad week. All right, so, well, I'll say it. I have not had a great week. I've had a lot of declines, a lot of parts problems, and, well, it can be tough to stay motivated, to keep writing up customers, keep taking swings at repairs and seeing what happens. It can be really frustrating. It's easy to check out for that week. You know, you can literally just go, week's screwed, my check's gonna suck. And, yeah, it's an oil change. Yeah, it's an oil change. Yeah, that's all it needs. But keep in mind, one of the things about flat rate is that next car might be a winner. I had it today. I mean, I've literally had a really bad week. And car came in, oil change, 100K service. Okay, my hours suck, so I'm taking it. And, well, sold almost 8 hours of work on it. Got all the fluids, needed front brakes, which was one of their complaints. Got the spark plugs, coolant service, transmission service, brake flush. Yeah. But that's one of the things about, being on flat rate is sometimes you can't sell anything. I mean, it happens. I don't care how good of a shop you're in, how good your sales team is. You just might be swinging a miss, swinging a miss, swinging a miss. And it's Friday and your hours suck. But on the other side of it, you can, take a swing, get a single. Maybe you get a double. Maybe you get a 7 or 8 hour ticket out of it, and you just like, oh, wow, cool. Because, that's a frustrating part about, the business. Now, let's say you're hourly. And, well, think about it. It's a slow week. You want to write up even more stuff so you don't get sent home. And yes, it does happen. Hourly technicians get sent home, or they're pushing brooms or fixing toilets or cleaning toilets or whatever else the boss decides they want them to do. But same goes for hourly techs. If you're in a shop and nothing's selling for you, you're feeling the pressure not on your paycheck, but you're feeling the pressure from, the guys up front because, they want to make money for the shop. You want to make money for the shop. So it's important that even as an hourly technician, you stay motivated because you keep pushing, keep asking for what the car needs. Because that's really what it boils down to is, if you're working on 2022s all day long, it's going to be few and far between. But if you've got, cars with some miles on them, you might get brakes, you might get tires, you might get, various services that are due by mileage, etc. So again, if you're hourly, same thing. I know a good hourly tech wants the shop to be successful, so you're going to be doing the same thing a flat rate tech is. You're going to want to work efficient, and you're going to want to sell stuff. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.